This is giving you a sort of a helicopter view on the information inside the repository. So there's a repository sitting behind the tool here. You'll have a client area you can log into. And what you can see here is that I'm showing different types of information here for different types of users. So if I'm an executive in the organization, I could look at underperforming capabilities. So these are business capabilities, so things like claims management, supplier management, managing the sales process. So these are all types of capabilities, and there's a few being shown here. The business importance is being shown as an attribute, and what date these were effective at. So when were these capabilities effective in the organization? So again, what we're doing here is we're elevating up into a dashboard your business capabilities. And over here we're showing critical business processes that aren't automated. Okay, so these have high criticality. So we've got accept claim and validate claim. And the example we're using here is an insurance system, an insurance organization. So here are the processes. These are standards in the organization. And we can see here we've got two of them. And again, these are rolled up to the dashboard. Now, as I move down here, if I'm looking at more at the IT level, I'm here looking now at applications. So claim validation, what life cycle stage is it at? We're phasing it out. For claim validation, home and away financial is live and legal aid back office is live. We can see here the number of active users on the application, and we can also see the value to the organization. And you'll see here we're using a lot of color indicators, and we can use icons to indicate information on the dashboard. As I move over to this side here, we're now looking more at the infrastructure, so some of the technology, the devices, the hardware, and system software. Again, how is it as a standard? What's the retire dates for these infrastructure components? And all of these attributes, then you can actually manage yourself. So you can decide what goes on your dashboard, what goes on the corporate dashboard, and you've also got a personal dashboard, so you can build your own personal view of the world here as well. Here we're looking at work package approvals. So what's the name of the work package? What's the approval status for that work package, i.e. project? If you're using things like Prince2 for project management, you can start to include the status of Prince2 stages in here. And then also the risk status. Is it low, medium, or high? And here you can see you can add views. So dashboards are really interesting because they give us an underlying view of information in the model. You can also do what we call calculated roll-ups on here as well. So if you've got financial information or financial planning information or data information, you can start to roll them up into other objects as well. Okay, so for example, I could see for a work package, show me all the application costs for that work package and roll it up into the work package. Okay, and as we go over to my dashboard here, I'm just looking at my critical processes. So for me as a user that's logged in, and in the top right-hand corner here, you can see my profile. And I can put whatever information I want on here and also personalize it. So I've always got a list of things that I'm either working on or want access to. Okay, if I click on this arrow at any stage, it takes me behind the scenes here. So now it's taking me into the object itself. It tells me it's a business process. You've probably seen as we move through the product that you're looking at different icons which show you standard representations of things like Archimate or TOGAF. And then down here we've got a list of attributes. So here you'll see the process criticality. Okay, and I can make things high, medium, or low. I can tag information as I go through on here. I can also connect things together as well. So, for example, I could say this business process generates an event. Okay, and that way, I'm now creating relationships between objects in the repository. You've also got up here a relationships tab, which shows you how things are connected together. And I can create relationships that way as well.